Welcome to another video. Hope everyone's doing alright and that. This time, something a bit spicy and an alternative to the traditional summer burger. We're going to be having a go at making some spicy lamb kebab burgers. Absolutely fantastic. I was given a couple of kebabs off a friend about 2 weeks ago and they were so hot, blow your socks off hot. But I've had a little tinker about in that and I think I've come up with a perfect burger for summer. We're going to be making a nice yogurt and mint dressing, some nice lamb kebab patties and that. Absolutely fantastic. We'll be cooking them in the air fryer. I've got a nice little chopper to try out, new little gadget. Fantastic. So grab a cuppa, put your feet up and let's get into it. Right, simple as always, fantastic. We'll have a quick run through the ingredients, then we'll get stuck into it. We'll start with the kebabs, then we'll move on to the sauce. Fantastic. But for the kebabs, we're using some lamb mince. This is a 450 gram bag I've got from Iceland. I've just let it defrost in the bag. Fantastic. Going to be using an onion, which I'm going to be chopping up really fine in my new little cutter. Fantastic. And for the spices, the dry spice, we've got 2 teaspoons of garam masala, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of ground coriander, and about half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And the wet stuff, we've got a couple of teaspoons of chopped garlic, a couple of teaspoons of chopped ginger, a couple of teaspoons of chopped coriander frozen, and about a teaspoon of chopped chilli. I've backed off on the chilli because I tell you what, the ones my friend gave us, red hot. And for the sauce, really simple again. I got some natural yogurt. I had to get the fat-free one, but that's fine. If it's a little bit runny, I'll thicken it up with a bit of mayonnaise. I've got some sea salt, some garlic paste, and some fresh mint leaves. Absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to be serving them traditional burger wise, you know what I mean? Bit of onion, bit of tomato, bit of lettuce, cheese and that, brioche bun, fantastic. I'll be doing a few chips with them and that. Lush man, lush. The first job to do is just get all them dried spices and just put them in a box and get a lid on it and give it a good old shake, and that'll ensure that all the spices are nicely spread out and even. Look at that, fantastic. We'll just put that to one side. Right, now I'm just going to bring my little chopper in. Fantastic little thing this, like, fantastic. I'm going to stick an onion in. Just give it a little blast. Oh, I need the top one. I've used it once, I think. It worked an absolute treat. But I'm going to use this to chop the onion and to make the yogurt dressing. Fantastic. It's a bit loud, but that is literally it. Look at that. Fantastic. Isn't that great? It took us ages to do that with a knife. Now we're just going to bring a bowl in. This is as simple as it gets. And everything's just going to go into the bowl. So we're going to put our mince in. Yeah, the ones I was given, incredibly hot. Insane. I was warned. My mate Anissa said he's made them, but they're hot, and they were red hot. And we're just going to go in with our mixed spices, our onion. I've got myself a little spoon here to get them out of here. Gets a bit messy this one because you've got to get your hands in at some point, and it's fantastic. Then we're going to go in with the rest of them, the coriander, the chilli, the garlic and the ginger. And now we're just going to mix. What I might do is put a little hyperlapse on and put some of this new AI music. I've been messing about with it on my other channel. Joe does this and that, and it's fantastic.
I'm the culinary king, mixing flavors like a boss. Every dish I serve, it comes with extra sauce. I'm Joe Cooks and stuff, bringing flavor to your plate. When it comes to cooking, I'm the one they celebrate.
That's one mix done now. Look at that. Tell you what, it smells lush. I'm just going to bring a plate in. I should by rights have some greaseproof paper, but I haven't got any, so I'm aiming to get 4 decent sized burgers. Absolutely fantastic. Just got to get your hands in. Not for the squeamish like, but fantastic. Just make them in the balls to start with. Then we can even them up if they look a bit odd and that. But fantastic, man. Tell us in the comments how you make your burgers and that. Because I tell you what, you crack this one, you'll crack all the burgers. I love burgers, me, like. Love them. Right, we've got 4 nice burgers there. Right, nice balls. We'll get rid of that because we don't need that again. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to press them down like a burger. Then we're going to set them off in the fridge for about an hour or so. Fantastic, and that will make them cook really, really nice. We're going to be using the air fryer, and I'm going to preheat it to 160. But we'll get these in the fridge. We'll come back, we'll do a sauce, because that's fantastic as well. And it's just a case of waiting. You could prep all these in the morning and that, and just wait till the night time to cook them on your barbecue or whatever. I'm just going to set me little chopper up again. There's this like a blade for mixing, so we'll get that on. I've never actually made a sauce in this before, you know. And I'm just going to chop these mint leaves up, nice and fine. Got myself a nice big knife here. We'll just go for it. Smells lush in our fresh mint. Smells almost nettly, doesn't it? Love it. We'll get this bashed down a bit. Fantastic. We'll just put that to one side for now. Tell you what, I won't be putting Jamie Oliver out of business, me, will I? Hey, fantastic. Right, we're going to go in with some natural yogurt. See, I'm just guessing all this, you know. I don't really measure stuff out and out. I should do, but it's only cooking, innit? It's only a laugh. Bit of messing about in the kitchen and that. Fantastic, man. Gonna go in with a bit of salt, bit of garlic, just a spoonful. Don't want it too overpowering, like. I like me garlic, me, like, but has its limits, Then we're gonna go in with a fresh mint. Fantastic. Make a bit of a mess in that. Fantastic making a mess in the kitchen, innit? I'll tidy it up in a minute. Get the lid on. We're going to give it a good blast. Right, and if it looks a bit slack, like that is, that's really slack, that, like. I'm just going to give it a good squirt of mayonnaise. And hopefully, putting a bit of fat back into it will thicken it up, like. That'll do. Give it another waz up. So I'm going to have a little taste of this. See what it tastes like, because it looks lush. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to put this in the fridge with the burgers. I'm going to wait an hour for them to firm up and that. Right, I've just took these out of the fridge. They've been in there for just over an hour and they've firmed up, an absolute treat. Fantastic, they smell incredible. I've already preheated the air fryer because I've cooked my chips and I've just stuck them in the oven to keep them warm. And I'm going to stick them in here and we're going to cook them for between 8 and 12 minutes on 160. Get rid of that because we don't need that. I've got my little probe here to check halfway. I'm going to flip them. And yeah, fantastic. But in the meantime, I'm going to get back to the AI music, see if I can put a smile on your face while I prep me veg for me buns and that.
I'm gonna tell you a tale, grab your frying pan. It's all about cooking, I'm Joe, I'm your man. In my kitchen, I'm a maestro, ain't no bluff. I'm about to whip up a spicy lamb kebab burger tough. First things first, let's prepare the meat. Fresh ground lamb, oh so tender and sweet. Season it up with some herbs and spice. Gonna make your taste buds jump, make it feel so nice. Cause I'm Joe Cook, cooks and stuff, I'm the king of the grill. Making spicy lamb kebab burgers with chill. In my air fryer, cooking up a storm.
Right, we're about the halfway point. And look at these, don't these look fantastic? Look at them. Absolutely mint, absolutely mint. Fantastic, I'm going to turn them over. Hopefully they won't break apart. And I'm going to put them back on for about another 5 minutes. I've got my probe here. Let's check them now, see what the temperature is. Yep, they're still a little bit cold in the middle. So we'll give them another 5-6 minutes. Fantastic, then we'll bring this one in. Lush. Right, we're getting close to my favourite part of the video. Fantastic, but look at them. Fantastic, I took them out the air fryer, stuck them on a plate just to rest for a minute or two. But they look absolutely fantastic. Stunning. Stunning. Right, we'll just stick them to one side. I've got all my bits here now. I've toasted my bread buns off in the oven just for 5 minutes while I was keeping the chips warm and that. And here we go. I've got some fancy plates and these things. What are them called? Serviettes? Serviettes. Got some serviettes. Because we're posh, because we're on the telly and that. Yeah, we're just going to build a bun up. Fantastic. The mint dressing. It didn't come out as thick as I wanted, but it's not bad. It smells absolutely incredible, like. But we're going with a bit of that. Hey, splashed it. Bit of lettuce and that. Tell you what, fantastic alternative to a beef burger. You know, beef burgers get boring every now and again, like. We're going to stick a nice burger on it. That one started cracking a little bit at the side, can you see? It's not bad, it's not bad. Nice slice of cheese. Couple of these rings, onion rings. One of them. I've got one of these to go through the middle, so it looks all tarty and that. Fantastic. Put it to one side. Handful of chips. Fantastic. Right, get rid of this. And there you have it. Spicy Lamb Kebab Burgers with chips. Absolutely fantastic. It looks mint. I'll get the little camera out and we'll have a good look in it. Check that bad boy out. Absolutely fantastic. Right, let's cut it open and see what it looks like inside. Right, I'd just like to thank everyone for watching. Hit likes and subscribe if you liked it and that. Fantastic, let's cut this open. I love this part of the video, you know. Absolutely mint. Helps if I take the stick out, doesn't it? Fantastic. But yeah, thanks for watching. Look at that. Is that a meaty burger or is that a meaty burger? Check that bad boy out, eh? Are you having that? Let's have a taste. It's that good I have to have 2 bites. Lush, fantastic. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope the AI music was alright. Tell us in the comments if you thought it was alright and that. Just a bit of laugh and that. I'm going to tailor it a bit better when I get more used to using it. But fantastic. If you want to see us outside the kitchen, get on my other channel and that. Joe does this and that. Fantastic. A bit of waffling like on here. But just outside the kitchen. So have a great week. Look after yourselves. And I'll see you next time. Ta-da.